welcome to TBE in our Bambini Montessori School Graduation 2023.
Congratulations, graduates 2023, for finishing your years at Bambini Montessori School. Another year has passed, and we are so proud to have you at Bambini Montessori School.
Thank you very much, dear parents. I cannot set my gratitude bigger than this, but you are really the most valuable person. Invite all of you to give applause for all of you.